Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today is the lecture number 10 of BBA Semester 2 English, Composition and Comprehension. Today the topic is discussed in the lecture is the writing types of the writings, in which 4 types of the writing included in our course outline. So first of all, we should explain that why it is important in the writings. So it occupies an important place as a form of literature. So this can also be considered as adaptable to all subjects, imposes no restrictions, and conveys information in a clear, easy, and pleasant manner. It is the crucial test of a student's ability. Then again, it encourages thoughtfulness and serves to form a habit of reasonableness, fairness, and of lucid writing. Its scope is also a very wide and unlimited, to anything from the star to the dust will serve and any kind of the writer. So this can be considered as the important part of the writing, that definitely these 4 writing techniques are considered very important in the writing. So now in a descriptive form or a narrative form or a expository form or in a argumentative description or in a characteristic description, we follow the particular kind of the rules and the principles may we justify our topic. So in descriptive writings there are also some characteristics on and rules, principles on which we must follow to meet the justification of a typing. So long description should be avoided in a descriptive form. Accuracy must be the primary consideration. Important features and detail must not be overlooked. The details should be so arranged as to present a clear picture to the reader's mind. Comparison, if used properly, can produce satisfactory result. The description should read as interesting and realistic as possible. Personal method is preferable to objective method of the expression. So this is the form in which we can also write something very accurately and in a convincing way. So the descriptive writing is a genre of the writing in which ask the students to describe something, object, person, place, experience, emotion, and situation. It encourages the students' ability to create a written account of the particular experience. So this is the way in which you can also write something purely on your behalf and your personal experience on a particular kind of the topic or a particular kind of the subject matter. So the number 2 is a narrative writing. Narrative writing, make sure about the plot, make a direct beginning, link up the points in a natural manner, never write a long story. The narration should have a crisis, should be developed to a logical conclusion, and should be brief. Conversation can also be introduced with advantages. A title is necessary, but a moral should be avoided. While narrating description historical, in which now the events causes accidents, results and reflections should be given under clear heads. While attempting a biographical descriptions in which date and place of birth, percentage, any life, या parentage, early life and education, career and achievements, circumstances of deaths, estimate of characters are relevant points to be borne in the mind. So if a phenomenon of nature is to be described in a such kind of the description, its causes and effects should be clearly brought out. It is sometimes desirable to end a biographical or natural narration of a quotation, because a such kind of the writings can also be very helpful in this way. So a narrative writing is considered as one of the important kind of the techniques. So a narrative writing is a type of the writings that has a single motif or a central point around which the whole narration evolves. So now the number 3 is the argumentative descriptions. An argumentative description is a type of the description that presents arguments about both sides of an issue. It could be that both sides are presented equally balanced, or it could be that one side is presented more forcefully than the other one. So this kind of the description is also generally adopted in a scientific description, because definitely in a scientific writing या argumentative writings, it is a very important to prove the arguments, and also it can be justified from the both sides. Maybe one side can also be in a defending position and the other side is also in a dominating position. So a scientific writings are always written in argumentative writings, because there is a need to prove any kind of the logic with the help of the arguments, with the help of the points, which can also be helpful to prove the point. So argumentative writing is also very important, in which you can also write some important subject matter, some important kind of the theories on which you must give the viewpoint of different peoples, different scientists, and now the analysis which were made by the different peoples and also their arguments. So this argumentative description is generally used in such kind of the writings which directly consider to the science related. So now the last one can be considered as the expository description, in which this is also a common kind of the description which is generally known to us. So this one is probably the most common types of the writing.